losing number 3.
Getting close to stall speed.
Let me 3 pace the lead. We're losing number 3.
We're headed down now for an emergency landing. Roger, Red V3. Godspeed. Pilot the crew. Prepare for crash landing.
We'll make a straight in approach. Landing gear down. Here's a good spot to bring her in.
Pilot the crew. Get ready for landing.
Right gear down.
Left gear down.
Tail gear down. Airspeed is 115, but you're too low, too low.
Pilot the crew, brace yourselves.
Prepare for impact!
I mean, I wasn't that bad, right?